beautiful. Today I come here in this farm and they install this solar hybrid water pump. Okay, here is the controller of this pump and here is the motor of this pump. Let me show you. Here is the specification. You can see it is a 220 volt AC and 2200 watt motor is that. AC input single phase. That one is around 4 inch. The solar panel is 550 watt, 6 pieces. 6 pieces. Let me see how many ampere is coming from solar panel. 2.9 ampere, 2.8 ampere right now from solar panel. The solar panel voltage 230 volt. This panel is each is 50 volt, so it's 6 panels, not exactly 300 volt. You can get it.
Because of the sun.
Yeah, because of the sun and plus connectivity.
Oh, yeah.
So we are losing a 50 volt.
Yeah.
So it means if you have a 6 panel, consider it you have a 5 panels.
Yeah.
Yep.
Maybe that is 7 or 8.
Yeah, at least 8 solar panel are okay here, then this load will be okay. We are going to install the inline fuse, DC SPDs, AC SPDs and surge protection. That is very important. I disconnected the solar panel and the inverter is down and we will install the protection devices here. This solar water pump is 2.2 kilowatt and this is our solar panel input. This is the DC SPD inline fuse and then DC breaker. It's go input, solar input to the inverter, and then here is our AC input, AC SPD, DC breaker, over under voltage protector, this one. So that is the ground for AC, this is the ground for DC, and here is the 6 panel 550 watt. Here is the pump, 220 volt and 16 ampere, and here is the well. It have a soft start. That is soft starting. The water pressure is really very strong. It's a 4-inch pump. Wow, performing very well. It's a 2 kilowatt pump. On now, sit from, and now the solar is connected. It's evening. We are going to switch the AC also. Just click the over under voltage protector, and here is the output of the well. It's performing well. Great. Full RPM. So now it is in hybrid mode. The foundation you see, it was before for the diesel generator, for the diesel engine, the diesel pump, and now it's technology era, so we are on to solar. So okay brother, everything is perfect now?
Yes, thank you.
A beautiful carabao chicken, and over there, and here is our solar pump which is running very well. This is temporary installation. Okay, this is temporary installation. Later it will be perfect and complete installed with the complete fabrication, with complete structure. Very important note about this kind of agriculture solar water pump: if your pump is rated 2.2 kilowatt like that, and you have a big inverter, same complete set, and you install only panel, calculated wattage is not enough, because this is a 6 panels 550 watts, so it's a 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt. So the efficiency, we can say, if we reduce maximum, if we get the efficiency from that panel is 55%, no more than that. So 3 kilowatt solar panel mean we getting the 1.5 kilowatt. So this time the motor is performing on 1.5 kilowatt, and also very low DC input voltage. Should be the DC voltage 380 volt DC for the 3-phase motors, because they are 3-phase motors, and it's running by this, the solar inverter. It's a direct PV inverter, you can call it. So these panels, I recommend to my friend, add at least 2 panel more, so the voltage will get higher, and also the power will get enough for, because this is inductive load. And for these pumps, that system currently it's okay, but it's not enough. Have to increase more solar panels.